Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, as you could tell by the title, I don't even know what the title is about to be right now, but basically I'm about to do my hair with whatever I have in my hair bin, which is a lot of random stuff. I show a lot of the content of my hair bin a couple of months ago on my TikTok. I might put the TikTok up here. But yes, so right now I'm about to wash and maybe blow out my hair. I'm not sure. It's kind of late and I'm pretty tired. I've kind of had a long day today. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hair and I will be back when it is blow dried, washed. I don't know. I'll be back though with clean hair. That's it. Whatever. Stay tuned. Obviously, I am back. It's like a day and a half later. I ended up falling asleep waiting for my hair to dry. But right now, I am back with my hair blown out. I figured out what style I'm going to do. Let me hold on. Clip the mic on. I went into my hair bin and the style that I'm about to do is faux locks. It's faux locks, aka soft locks, aka they won't be butterfly locks. Soft locks, faux locks, whatever you want to call them. I have two colors here, burgundy and some natural black, of course. So I'm about to put my show on and handle these parts because that's the hard part. A couple of months ago, somebody asked me on TikTok how I get my parts so straight. They're not that straight. They're kind of crooked. But they asked me how I get them so straight, and the answer is my handheld mirror and a regular full-length mirror. Because I'm crazy and I like to make things harder for myself. So basically I, hold it back there. As you can already see, you can see the back of my head. And then I part blindly. And then I check and then fix and then check. And that's how I do it. So I'll be doing that and watching my show as I do it. Hey y'all, I finished my parts. It took me, I think I kind of started at 6:30. Child, it's 11 o'clock. I have been watching my show this whole time. It's a show that I've seen before, but you think I've never seen it a day in my life. Anyway, these are my parts. I'm going to show you them real quick because they came out crazy. Because again, I was watching my show. That's the top view. That's the back view. Okay, so I'm about to start, putting my locks in, installing them. I'm probably going to do about half my head off camera and then maybe half on. We'll see how I'm feeling. I am so tired. I might need to take a nap in between. But I'm trying out a new method that I saw on TikTok. I'll play the TikTok for you on the screen right now. Is it still going? Hold on. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm using the regular black for the top, and then I'm gonna do it, like an under dye vibe with the what's it called? Y'all know what it's called, burgundy. My voice sounds crazy. I'm tired. I've been up all night. Let me get started on the back of my head, and I'll come show y'all the top, and I'll show y'all me trying the method. We'll see if it works. Let me go get my crochet hook, okay? Y'all, don't pay attention to all the breakage I have. Look at that. This piece of hair hasn't grown in years. Like, it's been like that since I was 17. All right, y'all, I am back, and as you could tell, my whole head is done except for this last 6, my little antennas. I'm about to do those on camera for y'all right now, and I'm gonna explain this method in detail, kind of. Sorry if I seem a little off. I don't know what time I said it was when I checked in, but right now it is 7:54 p.m. So there you go. I have these regular kinky curly crochet bundles. They come pre-looped like any crochet. So what I do is I just pull that band out like that, and then I spread the hair, find the middle, break it down the middle. All you need is that piece for wrapping. Then what you're gonna want to do is take your, your crochet lock and put your hook through the loop. Grab that crochet here, pull it through the loop, pull it through the loop like that, and then go to your part. Let's start off with this one in the back here. Hopefully you can hear me okay. You're gonna of course put your hook through your part, grab that piece of hair, pull it through, pull one side out like so. Okay, make one side short, just like normal pretty much from here, and then start wrapping. This is the part that I like the least, is starting off the wrapping, because you have to make sure you get the loop in there. Let me not talk while I do that part. But you see right there, that's where the loop is. You want to make sure that you wrap that part tight to make it nice and seamless. So I'm going to grip it and I'm going to wrap as tight as I can around that part. I told y'all I'm a little bit delusional. I did end up taking an hour nap in between everything. And the reason that this is taking me so long, of course it was the parts, but I started rewatching 7 Deadly Sins on Netflix. I forgot how good that show was. It's like moving me. I love me some Bond. That's my man. There you go. Now you got a lock. I'm just gonna finish wrapping the ends and finish it off with a little palm roll. And make sure you get all the hair though. But yeah, once I saw this video on TikTok, I knew that I had to do it, because the method that people use when they braid it into their hair doesn't work for me, because some of my parts in the back are really big. I just have really thin hair. Like, I know y'all see these braids. They give them real spider leg like. So that braiding this into my hair, I've tried it before, it don't work. So the last time I did faux locks, they were super bulky because I just crocheted it into the top and then did the wrapping, and it was just big knots all over my head. I'll actually insert a couple of pictures here so you can see the progress from there to here. You see how flat that is? Look right there. Well, I'm not finished with the top yet, but at least you can see on the sides, like, that is so flat compared to those pictures. The person that posted that TikTok, I love you. I love you for real. Because this is a method I could really get behind. Whew. All right, y'all. So, this side, my right side came out better than my left, which I hate. I'm a lefty. Also, I feel like there's no middle to my middle part, but that's okay. My forehead looks absolutely huge from this angle. That's crazy. Let me see if I could do a side part, or is it too tight? Ow. Ugh. I look so bald. Child, y'all know. Y'all, if you know, you know. It's day 1. I have to let it marinate. But, yeah, that is the faux lock method I just learned from TikTok. I actually kind of love it, because look at how flat that top is. That is so much better compared to the last time I did these. I am so happy with these results. This isn't the end of the video though, because I want to let them marinate for a couple of hours and then do my makeup so you can get the full effect, because right now you're not getting the full effect, you're getting full forehead, full 5 head. So yes, I'm gonna take a good official break. I'm gonna shower, put on the AC, watch my show and live it up, and then probably do my makeup after I've had my fix. I also have to film a video for my Sims channel, so yeah, I'll probably be back in a couple of hours / tomorrow to give you a real final look. It is the next day. Obviously, I'm back with my makeup done and everything. I filmed this look for TikTok. It came out okay. It came out all right. Just making sure there's no makeup under my nails. But yeah, this is the finished result. I'm about to take my hair down to show it to you. That's my hair all done. It's super long. It goes all the way down to my butt. I might insert a picture, I might not. I probably won't, because I'm not about to take a picture. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.